The Pit Boss PB440FB1 Pellet Grill offers an impressive cooking area of 482 square inches, providing ample space for grilling multiple items at once. Its digital control pad with an LCD screen allows for precise temperature adjustments ranging from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for different cooking styles. The grill's porcelain-coated steel cooking grids ensure even heat distribution and perfect sear marks on your meats. Equipped with a 5-pound hopper and an easy clean-out door, the grill minimizes maintenance efforts, letting you focus more on cooking. The grill's construction features a high-temperature matte black powder coat finish and a solid bottom shelf, enhancing its durability and aesthetic appeal. Fueled by 100% all-natural hardwood pellets, the Pit Boss PB440FB1 delivers authentic wood-fired flavors, making every barbecue a delightful experience.